Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of pictures not showing on the application of Pinterest. In the first, you will follow me step by step. We will go to settings as you see and you will click. In this page, you will go down until you find this window of apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find the application of Pinterest. You will find it here and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. After that you will return again to this page of app info. Here you will go to permissions, and in this list you will check if these permissions are allowed. For example, you will go to photos and videos here and you can allow this permission. You will click here, always allow all, and then you will go to this window of Play Store. You will search about the application of Pinterest, and here on this page, if you find update in this blue sign, of course you will update your app. But if this solution not working with you, then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. And here, as you see, you will go to Pinterest and you will find your photos on Pinterest are showing like this, as you see. Then you can know how to fix the problem of photos not showing on the application of Pinterest, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.